Whiteboard? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is said that draw a projection of a line, draw a projection of a line of 100 length. Okay, so first we need to draw a ground line. Okay, before anything we need to draw a ground line. Okay, so it has been drawn. We need to name it either GL or XY. Both are same thing. So I'm naming this GL line. Okay, so draw a projections of a line. Okay, so someone please say the problem. Someone please say hello. Someone please say hello.
Sir, draw the projections of the line of 100 length which parallel to the vertical plane
Okay,
and
okay,
inclined.
stop now. Okay, so it is said that the line is parallel to the vertical plane. So now from that condition only, we can say the true length of the line will be seen in the front elevation. From that condition only, because that vertical plane is the front elevation and horizontal plane is the plane. Okay, so we can say as it is parallel to the vertical plane, so the true length of the line will be seen in the front elevation. Now say the next condition. বলো পড়তে থাকো
And inclined at 45 degree to HP.
so that inclination will be seen in the vertical plane also. So the true length of the line, true length of 100 length at an angle 45 degree will have to be drawn above to the GL line. Now say the next condition.
One end of the line is 10 away from VP and 20 away from HP.
Okay, so 20 away from HP. So the true length of the line will be 20 away from the ground line. So we need to take a distance of 20 from the ground line first. Okay, so let us consider that end of the point is A. So front elevation will always shown by dash. Okay, so A dash will be one end. So one end has been obtained. Now we need to draw from that A dash point an angle of 45 degree, and the length of the line will be 100 So other end will become B. So front elevation will always be denoted by dash. So A dash by dash will be the true length of the line that can be seen in the vertical plane. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
The elevation angle will always be 45.
no, not always, not always. For this particular condition is 45. It can be anything. Now again from that end B, we need to draw a perpendicular line up to the ground line, and that line will be called as projection line. Okay, from B a perpendicular line is drawn from B dash, from A dash a perpendicular line is drawn. So those lines will be called projection lines. Okay, so these are the projection lines, and this whole projection will be called orthorhombic projections, because only for that the projection lines are perpendicular to the planes. That's why the name came ortho. Ortho means perpendicular always. So that projection is orthorhombic projection. Okay, so point A is 20 away from the HP, and point A is 10 away from VP. So that will have to be extended also. Again, we need to draw a. Now the parallel line will be with GL line. So that will be the plan of the line AB. Okay. Now if you have any questions, please ask. So the A dash is 20 away from the ground line, and A is 10 away from the ground line, and inclination of AB will be uh, 45 degree. A dash B dash. So
What will be the length of A dash B dash?
100 100 and only the portion A dash B dash and AB will be dark. Thick lines. Thick lines will be A dash B dash and AB, and all other lines will be thin lines. Please remember that all the other lines will be construction lines, other than A dash B dash and AB. Now you have to show the dimensions. So drawing has been completed. Now you need to show the dimensions. How? You have to draw a horizontal line, thin always. Okay, always thin lines. Now we need to show the angle. So that angle will be 45 degree. We need to write that. Okay. Now length of the AB will have to be shown. Now how it is being shown? So we need to draw a line, perpendicular, two lines actually, perpendicular to A dash B dash. Okay. So these are the extension lines. Okay. Now a parallel line will have to be drawn parallel to A dash B dash, and at the middle it will be broken because we are showing the dimension in the unidirectional method, and two arrows will have to be given. All the drawings are not correct drawing by me here because I cannot draw the straight line by using mouse. When you will draw with scale and pencil, it will be easier for you. So that has to be written 100 horizontally always. Okay, is that understood? Now that distance of A dash will have to be shown from the ground line. So extension line is drawn and a dimension line. So the text is being written 20 and another extension dimension line and the two arrows. অ্যারোগুলো আমরা এখানে ড্র করা হচ্ছে না ঠিকঠাক, আমরা একটু ঠিক করে করব। Again from A, the distance of A will have to be shown. So that is to be written as 10. Again the dimension, the arrowheads are to be shown. So hence the drawing has been completed. Now if you have any questions, ask. Okay, so sometimes in the numerical, you may be asked to determine the length of the plan also. Okay, so the length of the AB you have to measure with the scale and to write there. Okay, now the next one. If you have understand this, বলো কিচ্ছু শুনতে পেলাম না, জোরে বলতে হবে, শুনতে পেলাম না, মাইকে আসছে না।
আমি বলছিলাম যে স্যার অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কি 90 ডিগ্রির চেয়ে কমই হবে, 135 কি হতে পারে অ্যাঙ্গেল?
135 দেওয়ার তো কোনো মানে হয় না, কারণ 135 একদিক দিয়ে হলে আরেক দিক দিয়ে তো 90 135 মাইনাস 90 হয়ে যায়, তাহলে সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা দেওয়াই ভালো, তাই না? অ্যাঙ্গেলটা তো ওভাবে দেওয়ার কোনো অর্থ হয় না, তুমি যেভাবে বললে 135 দেওয়ার তো কোনো মানেই দাঁড়ায় না, 90 ডিগ্রি থেকে কম দেওয়াই ভালো। এটা তো একই হবে, মানে একদিকে 135 মানে আরেক দিকে কি হবে 135 মাইনাস 90, সো দ্যাট উইল বি গিভেন। ঠিক আছে, সো অ্যাঙ্গেল আর অলওয়েজ লেস দেন 90 degree. Okay, so the next one.
ওকে স্যার।
Next one is this. Now, all of you please from the problem from the for the third condition line AB, please write the numerical. একটু মুখে বলো ফার্স্টের নিউমেরিক্যালটা কি হতে পারে for this condition, for the third condition. So what will be the problem? বলো কেউ একজন, হ্যালো, সামান প্লিজ। পাচ্ছ না কেউ? কেউ একজন বলো না, হ্যালো হ্যালো।
না স্যার, আমার হবে না স্যার।
কেউ একজন বলো, কেন হবে না, সবাই পারবে তো। আগেরটা যদি বুঝে থাকো এটা একদম ইজি। অনলি দ্য planes will be changed. In place of VP, maybe it will be HP, like that.
Sir, draw the projections of
ঠিক আছে,
line
কেউ
of
যখন বলতে
100
পারছে
mm
না আমি
length
লিখি। আমি হ্যাঁ, ওকে, নেক্সট
which
বলো
is
তারপর।
parallel to horizontal plane and inclined at an
ভেরি
angle
গুড,
of 45 degree to vertical plane.
ভেরি গুড। নেক্সট আফটার ফুল স্টপ
Then
বলো, আরেকটা
one end
কন্ডিশন
of
বলে
the
দাও, দ্য
line is
পয়েন্ট এ দা ওয়ান এন্ড অফ
line is
ওয়ান
10
এন্ড অফ
mm away from HP and
ভেরি গুড।
20 mm away from VP.
ও ভেরি গুড, ভেরি গুড। বা তোমার কি নাম তোমার? হোয়াট ইজ ইউর
Sir,
নেম?
Abhiko sir.
বাহ 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 বাহ। তো বলো তো, তুমি লেখো আর বন্ধুদেরকে বলো, বন্ধুরা লিখুক। ভেরি গুড, বাহ। এত ভালো তোমরা প্রথম দিন শিখে যাও, আমি কল্পনাও করতে পারি। বলে ইউ সে অ্যান্ড এভরিবডি প্লিজ রাইট। অভিক উইল সে অ্যান্ড এভরিবডি উইল রাইট। প্লিজ সে অভিক, গো অন।
Draw the projections of a line of 100 mm length
লেখো, এটুকু আগে লেখো, তারপর
which
আমার
is
বন্ধুরা তার আগে লিখুক সবাই।
okay.
Draw the projections of a line of 100 mm length. সবার হলে একটু বলো, তবে
which
অভিক
is
তাহলে বলবে।
which is parallel to horizontal plane
এইচপি দরকার নেই বলতে হবে, which is parallel to HP
and inclined at an angle of 45 degree vertical plane or VP.
inclined at an angle 45 degree to VP. Then after full stop,
One end of the line is 10 mm away from HP
but and
and 20 mm away from VP.
বাহ বাহ, সত্যি ভালো, সত্যি ভালো, বাহ। ঠিক আছে, এবারে আমি এটা ড্র করে দেখাই আগেরটার মতনই, দ্য সেম অ্যাজ দ্য প্রিভিয়াস ওয়ান। উই নিড টু ড্র দ্য গ্রাউন্ড লাইন। সবাই লেখো, ততক্ষণে আমার ড্র করা হয়ে যাবে। উই নিড টু ড্র দ্য গ্রাউন্ড লাইন। না ওই বলো এবার। এবার আমি আঁকি, এবার তুমি বলো আমি আঁকি। অভিক
Yes, sir.
বলো, আমি আঁকি। Draw the projections of a 100 line of 100 mm length, which is
Parallel to HP
parallel to HP. Now, so the true length of the line will be available in the plan.
below.
Now, from that
Yes.
condition, from that condition that parallel to HP, so we have understood that the true length of the line will be obtained in the plan. ঠিক আছে, বোঝা গেল। নেক্সট পড়ো, নেক্সট পড়ো
Inclined
অভিক।
at an angle of 45 degree to VP.
So the line, so the inclination of the line will be 45 degree here. So true length of the line will have to be drawn in the plan with an inclination of 45 degree. So we have understood this. এবার বলে বা সেবার পয়েন্টটা কত mm away?
10 mm away from HP.
Okay, and HP মানে উপরে হয়ে যাবে।
20 mm
We don't need the condition right now.
and
And
20 mm away from VP.
okay, so now, so we need to draw a point which is 20 mm away from the ground line. Let us say the name of the point is A, B you have named already. So C, small c. Okay. So from point small c, we need to draw a line which is inclined at an angle 45 degree of length. Let us say CD of length 100 mm. So the plan of the line is obtained as CD. Okay, now so from point C a projection line has already been drawn, so that same is to be drawn from point D also. Okay, so it is being drawn also. Now the position of that end of the same end is 20 mm away from the VP and 10 mm away from the, so we need to extend that projection line beyond GL up to 10 mm. and so that line will have to be extended also up to 10 mm. So if those 2 points are joined, then the front elevation of the line CD will be C dash D dash. বোঝা গেল? কেউ বুঝলে না এবার কোশ্চেন করো, if you have any questions please ask. So the drawing is completed, now you need to show the dimension. So up to the drawing, if you have any queries please go on. কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন নেই? ওকে, so I will have to show the dimension of CD. So the dimension of, so you need to draw two extension lines which is perpendicular to the line CD, and one line which is parallel to the CD will have to be drawn. We have to break the line approximately at the middle, and so the text will have to be written as 100. I'm not drawing the arrowheads, you will draw it later. So the length of the line is 100, and point C is 20 mm away from the vertical plane, and point C is 10 mm away from the plane horizontal plane. So hence the drawing is complete. তাহলে আমাদের ফার্স্ট দুটো টাস্ক হলো এই দুটো, এবার আমরা আরো পড়াবো। তো your first two tasks have been drawn. কারো কিছু কোশ্চেন না থাকলে বলো। If you have any queries up to the two numericals, please go on. So I believe so all of you have understood. Recording stop.